Welcome back to your Step Up Math class. Today's lesson will be types of lines.
Parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. As we learned, lines go on forever in both directions. But when we have a pair of lines, it is possible for these lines to meet at some point. Let's look at the following image. If we have two cars, the first one passed through point A and it's moving towards point B, while the second car has passed through point C and it's moving towards point D. If we represent the paths of these two cars by lines, we can see that they meet at some point. We call this pair of lines intersecting lines. As you can see, the intersecting lines form an angle. Let's go back to our image. Assume that we have another two cars moving as in the screen. The two lines represent the car's movement will intersect as you can see, and we get an angle. Doesn't it look familiar? Yes, it's a right angle. We can double check by using our model angle. In this case, we call the intersecting lines perpendicular lines, and we use this symbol to say that the line EF is perpendicular to line XY. Look at these intersecting lines. All of them form right angles. Therefore, all of them are perpendicular lines. But do all lines intersect? Let's see. Assuming that these two cars are moving as follows, the lines representing their movement don't intersect in our screen. But if we extend them, we will see that they meet at some point. Let's go back to our image. Now what about those two cars? The lines representing their movement don't appear to intersect at any point, even if we keep going. A pair of lines that don't intersect at any point is called parallel lines. But how can we tell if a pair of lines is parallel, especially that lines go on forever? Well, there is a way to check. If we draw a perpendicular line to one of the lines and make it intersect the other one as follows, then we draw another perpendicular line at some other point. We get the following figure. Now, if the length of these two perpendiculars is the same, this means that the distance between our two lines remains the same. We can conclude that our original pair of lines are parallel, and those two lines will never intersect because the distance between them never changes. We use the following symbol to say that line GH is parallel to line KL.
Lines to top chin nei lavin lelam lelama kalchar kan ti to kha line pakhat aya tam kan nei chuanin in to na hmun te kha alo nei thei china line chi sang sang a in siam thei ani hemi thala kan en chuan car pakhat hi point A changin point B a atlan pheya car dang le hi point C changin point D a atlan phei vele a an tlan na hi line manga kan en tir chuanin in to na hmun an nei ni heng line pani te hi intersecting lines kan ti ten ni a in to na lai tak hi point of intersection na ni chuanin angle an siam bawk ani mundanga car kan tlan tir le ang heta po hianin car kan tlan tir hianin in to na hmun nan nei le a angle an siam ve le a heta thung chuan an angle siam hi right angle ani right angle ani chuanin 90 degree ani ti kan sha to khatiro chuanin heng line pani te hi perpendicular lines kan ti te kha an ni ta ni chuanin heti hian kan ziak ve le thungang EF is perpendicular to xy. Line EF is perpendicular to xy. Heng intersecting lines zong nga hianin right angle 90 degree siam veka chuwangin an vai hianin perpendicular lines an ni ti na ni chu perpendicular lines te chuanin 90 degree angle an siam chin chuan kong danga car te kha kan tlan tir le ang line kan siam le anga chuan heta chuan in car zau zong in angin an tlan char chara line te hi a in tok ve theilo ani heng te hi parallel lines kan ti kha ani engtin ye parallel lines ani ti kan sha thei kan ti chuanin line pahnih te khangil takin kan thai zomang perpendicular line kan siamang chuanin a in car zau zong kha mun shang shanga a in an vek chuanin kha line te kha parallel lines ani ti kan she thei don ani hianin kan du na muna perpendicular lines kan siam khan a in car zau zong hi alo in ang vek ani chuanin khang in car zau zong in ang vek kha parallel lines kan ti chun ni a ti chuanin adang lam ve lo ani a in car zau zong a hi chuanin heti hian assemble mangin kan zia kang line GH is parallel to line KL. Draw two lines for your name and for today's date. Today is 12th November. Write exercise 11.3. Question number 1. Identify the types of the following lines. Eng line nge asiam kha kan ziak don ani. In question number A, we have these lines. These lines are intersecting in one point. So this means these lines are intersecting lines. Heng line panhi te hi mun pakhata khan into nan nei ani an into hianin right angle an siam lava right angle siam ho kha chu perpendicular lines kan ti to kha chuwangin he line hi chu intersecting line ni ti kan she thei ani. Right answer, intersecting lines. In question number B, the lines are intersecting and forming a 90-degree angle. Question number B hianin line kha an intersect an in to kani 90-degree angle an siam engtin 90-degree angle an siam ti kan sha the dan chu a angle ron zia dan hi akwali na ziak ve lova a zoom zong khan in a ron zia kani chuanin that means these lines are perpendicular lines and we will write the answer. In question number C, the lines are not meeting at any point and do not form any angle. Write the answer by yourself. What is the type of lines? In question number D, the lines are intersecting and forming an angle. Write the answer by yourself. Question number 2. Identify the pairs of parallel and perpendicular lines in the figure given alongside. And here is the figure. We're going to write the pairs of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines ho le perpendicular lines ho kha kan siak don ani. We have three lines, lines AB, lines XY and line EF. An angle is formed by two lines, line AB and line EF, and it formed a 90-degree angle. So first we will write the pairs of parallel lines. Parallel line kan ziak photang. The parallel lines are line XY and line EF. And the perpendicular lines are line XY and AB. And the next perpendicular lines are EF and line AB. You will write the answer like this. Submit your assignment today before 8 p.m. Thank you.